In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Slim SEO, the lightest and powerful WordPress SEO automation plugin. We'll walk through how to find the plugin on WordPress.com, review its details so you know exactly what you're getting, and start the setup so your site benefits from automated SEO with minimal effort. Begin by going to WordPress.com and opening the Sites section. If you're prompted to sign in, do that first so you can access your dashboard. Once you're in, look for the Plugins option in the left navigation and click it. This opens the plugin directory where you can browse everything available for your site. At the top, use the search field and start typing Slim SEO. The results will update in real time. Look for Slim SEO, a fast and automated SEO plugin for WordPress in the list, and click it to open the full listing. If you first see a quick preview, click again to open the dedicated plugin page so you can see all the details. Before installing, it's smart to skim the information tabs. Open the description tab to understand what Slim SEO automates. Things like meta titles and descriptions, structured data, XML sitemaps, and other best practices, delivered in a lightweight, performance-friendly way. Next, switch to the Installation tab to see how it works on WordPress.com and self-hosted setups, and to confirm you won't need to edit code. Then check the changelog to verify recent updates and active maintenance. Finally, review the FAQs for quick answers about compatibility, how automatic titles and descriptions are generated, and what to expect with different themes. When you're ready, click Get Started. This opens a simple setup flow with Slim SEO selected. If you're creating a new site, you'll be asked about a domain next. Use the Search Domains box to find an available address you like, or choose the option to bring your existing domain over to WordPress.com if you already own one elsewhere. Pick the path that fits your situation, follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice, and then click Continue. A quick tip: installing third-party plugins on WordPress.com may require an eligible plan. If you see an upgrade prompt, select the plan that matches your needs and proceed. If you're transferring a domain, DNS updates can take up to 48 hours, which is normal. Once your site is ready, Slim SEO's automation starts working behind the scenes. Keep publishing content as usual. Titles, descriptions, schema, and sitemaps are handled for you, without extra bloat or complex configuration. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the speed and simplicity of Slim SEO on your WordPress site.